All right, today I'll be sharing with you guys what I've been learning so far, which is market structure. All right, we have the uptrend, downtrend, and range. You can call it consolidation. Okay, when it comes to uptrend, let me show you what uptrend looks like. All right, in uptrend, price forms higher high and higher low, just as you're seeing there, right? Higher high and higher lows, right? And each push breaks the previous high, and each pullback stays above the last low. As you can see, each push breaks the previous high, right? While each pullback stays above the last low. It's very simple, right? So this is what we call the uptrend. Then this is the downtrend, right? So when it comes to downtrend, in a downtrend, it's the opposite. Okay, lower highs and lower low. Okay, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. It's as simple as that. Just lower highs, lower low. Okay, very simple. So when it comes to this type, when it comes to a downtrend movement, this actually shows that the market is bearish with sellers in control, right? It actually shows that the market is bearish with sellers in control, right? So what you'll be seeing in a downtrend movement is a lower high and a lower low, right? A lower high and a lower low. That's what you'll be seeing in a downtrend movement. So when it comes to consolidation, just know that the market has no clear direction, right? It only moves sideways, right? As you can see here, the market moves sideways. This is what we call consolidation, where the market starts moving sideways, right? No clear direction. This is what we call ranging in the market. Another thing you need to understand is understanding market structure helps you avoid guessing. It shows whether the market is trending or ranging. Okay, so that will be all for today. Please follow me, also subscribe. Let's grow together. Okay, see you guys next time.